Hello students, welcome you back to the science class. Hope you all are doing good. So dear students, as you all know that we have completed the chapter fiber and fabric. So today we shall be doing the textbook question answer of the same chapter. Okay, so I think you all are ready. So let us discuss. So classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. So what you are going to do is, here you are going to make two columns. One side you will be writing the natural fiber and other side you will be writing the synthetic fiber. For the natural fiber, you can write the examples like wool, cotton, silk and jute. And for synthetic fiber, you can write nylon and polyester. Okay. Then question number 2 is, state whether the following statements are true or false. So one is, yarn is made from fiber. That is true. Then spinning is a process of making fibers. That is false. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. That is false. The process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning. It's true. Then weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. That is true. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. That is false. Then polyester is a natural fiber. This is also false. It's a synthetic fiber. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Number A, plant fibers are obtained from dash and dash, from cotton plants and jute plant. Then animal fibers are dash and dash, that is silk and wool. Okay. Then from which part of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? So cotton is obtained from the cotton boll, that is the fruit of the cotton plant, and jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Fine. Now next is, name two items that are made from coconut fiber. So you can give any example. Now you write two examples are bag and rope. Okay. Now explain the process of making yarn from fabric. So this yarn from fiber. This question is very much important from the examination point of view. Alright. So the answer is, the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. Okay. I think you all are aware. And then in this process, fibers from a mass of cotton were drawn and get twisted. So in this process, what happened? The fibers from the mass of cotton is drawn and get twisted. This twisting brings all the fibers together, which can be converted into yarn, and later on this yarn, it get weaved to make the fabric. Alright, so this is all about the textual question answer. I hope you all have understood, and kindly write these question answers in proper sequence. But I shall be sending you all the answers in PDF format. So please write from that material only. Is that clear? And then children, I just want to tell you that after the next chapter, I shall start the me and mine worksheets. Okay. So that I'll be using as assessment tool. We will start it from chapter 1. Alright. Since we have explained the chapter, the concepts are clear with you all. Now I'm going to use that me and mine worksheets as an assessment tool. Okay. Clear everyone? So please manage that workbook and then be ready for that. So today I wind up. Thank you so much, students. See you in the next class. Take care.